In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy options on Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and sign into your account so you can access your trading workspace and account tools. Once you are signed in, click on the human-like icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then click View More Details under Margin. A new window will pop up. From here, you can continue into the trading interface where options trading features are available for supported accounts. In the search field, type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade options for. As results appear, click on the stock you want to open. After selecting the stock, you will be taken to its main information page, where you can view the chart, market activity, and trading controls. On this page, look for the Trade Options button and click on it. This will open the options trading panel for that stock. Next, choose an expiration date for the options contract. You will see several available dates listed on the screen. Click on the expiration date you want to use for your trade. After selecting the expiration date, choose the type of option you want to buy. You will have the choice between a call option or a put option. Click the option type you want to continue with based on the setup you want to place. Once that is selected, move on to choosing the strike price. Scroll through the available strike prices and click on the one you want to use for your order. After selecting the strike price, enter the number of contracts you want to buy. Make sure the quantity shown matches the amount you want to place in the order before continuing. Once all of your selections are complete, review the information displayed on the screen. Check the expiration date, option type, strike price, and contract quantity carefully before moving forward. If everything looks correct, click Review to continue to the order summary page. On the order summary screen, review all of the order details once again to confirm the setup is accurate. When you are ready to place the trade, click Submit to send the options order. After submitting, Robinhood Legend will process the order and display the current status directly within your account. If your account does not currently have access to options trading, you may see a notice that approval is required before you can continue. In that case, follow the prompts available on the screen or contact Robinhood support for additional assistance with your options trading access.